Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will read words with consonant blend. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let us start. BR or the br blend. Br-ace, brace, br-ave, brave, br-ain, brain, br-ache, break, branch, brunch, br-end, brand, br-at, brat, br-ag, brag, br-ed, bread, br-ache, break, br-est, breast, br-ick, brick, br-edge, bridge, brief, brief, broke, broke, broom, broom, brown, brown, br-ush, brush, bring, bring. Okay, your turn to read now. Okay, very good. Okay, this time we are going to read it again together. Brace, brain, break, brave, brat, brag, brunch, brand, bread, break, breast, brick, bridge, brief, broke, broom, brown, brush. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is Teacher May saying thank you and God bless. But please don't forget to subscribe for more reading videos.